crying over the bread anymore. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. But just let me share my thoughts on this. I baked this cake. I keep saying a cake, but it's a bread. I should have had it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. I overslept. And while sleeping, I smelled like something is burning. So I was a bit upset. The thing is that after letting it cool, it wasn't leaving. So taking consideration, I didn't oil it well enough. But the taste is super amazing. So I'm just eating it with... So crunchy, so good. Because I add fruits to it, raisins, cranberry. I will do it again, but not take a siesta. And I thought I had to share that with you.
Tendrían razón. Cada uno de nosotros tiene una perspectiva de lo que le pasa en su vida. Y ambas perspectivas pueden ser ciertas porque todo depende de nuestro enfoque. Donde tú pones tu enfoque, pones tu energía y esa energía materializa.
You know what time is it? I'm about to make tea here. I have sorry lime peel and I'm gonna pour ginger. I blend the ginger up so it's has a strong flavor, and I have veggies here, corn fiesta. It's just corn, broccoli, cabbage, green beans, onion, garlic, cayenne and paprika. I'm gonna have this for lunch, and I'm making this. I need to add more water, so I have some for tea and some to use when I'm making my smoothie. He wants to go outside. Look at him. He's a little mad at me, but just for this evening. Sit when you sit. Handy. He wants to go outside.
Reach your arms forward as you soften your chest.
He wants to go outside.